I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can you do? Tormented and torn apart. I wish I could carry your smile in my heart for times when my life seems so low. If the rain made me believe what tomorrow could bring, when today doesn't really know, doesn't really know. I'm all out of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, whatever without you. I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong. Ooh, what are you thinking of? 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 I'm all out of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, what am I without you? I can't be too late, I say that I was so. I'm all out of love, I'm so lost without you. I can't be too late to know that I was so wrong.
Thank you.
Broadway Boys, Benedict Aboyme, Joshua Torino, Joshua Lumbao, and Francis Aglabtin. Thank you.
Eto na. Nag-concert na si Baste.
Aba, araw-araw.
Di ba? Araw-araw. Kayo ba handa na rin mag-concert, Broadway Boys?
Ay!
Ano? Sagot.
Sagot!
Handa na ba?
Hello po! Yay!
Yay!
Yes!
Hindi ba kapaniwala?
Okay. Kung ready na kayo. Ngayon na! Ngayon na! Hindi, hindi.
Hindi.
Para makapag-prepare sa Sabado.
Sabado!
Sa Sabado, ha?
Okay.
Hahanapan namin kayo ng matitinding makakasama.
Aba,
Wow!
may
May
special
mga
guest.
guest, ibig sabihin?
Meron, dapat. Concert eh. Ha? Okay, Sabado, ha? Broadway Boys?
Opo!
Natulala sila.